Now we will discuss with you rational numbers closure law. See, first one here, there are four operations. You know that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First, I will discuss with you addition. First, we have to take two rational numbers. I am taking one rational number as 3 by 4, another rational number as 5 by 7. You can take your wish, whatever it may be. What is your operation addition so that you can see plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 7 is how much fast you can count. Consider here what is the LCM of 4 and 7. Is it like fractions or unlike fractions? Unlike fractions. So you have to find the LCM. LCM is how much? 4, 7. LCM is 28. You can see here 4 7 ja how much? 28. 7 3 ja 21. Plus here 7 4 ja 28. 4 5 ja 20. Otherwise you can do cross multiplication instead of directly. 7 3 ja 21. 4 5 ja 20. See here 21 plus 20 is how much? 41. 41 by 28. Is it rational number or not? Is it rational number or not? Both are the integers. 41 and 28 are both are integers. So it is also belongs to Q. So that rational numbers C. Here rational numbers are closed under addition. Why? Because it's closed under addition means a plus b is a rational number. That means here addition of two rational numbers is a rational number or not? So that a plus b is a rational number for any two rational numbers a and b. We can say simply for all a comma b belongs to Q, a plus b belongs to Q. In the similar way we have to find subtraction. For all a comma b belongs to Q, a minus b also belongs to Q. Next, for multiplication property, for all a comma b belongs to Q, a into b belongs to Q. We have to prove it. See, subtraction. Consider any two rational numbers. For example, I am taking here 3 is a rational number. Yes or no? Yes. In the similar way, I will take one more number as 4 by 7. 4 by 7 is another rational number. Yes or no? Yes. We have to do what is the operation subtraction. So that I am taking here sub minus. How can you find that 3 minus 4 by 7? You can mention here 3 means 3 by 1 or not? Yes. Every integer can be written as rational numbers. So that 3 by 1 minus 4 by 7. You can write here 7 1 ja. How much? You can take cross multiplication I am doing here directly. If you are doing 1 and 7 LCM is how much? 7 only. Then you can do cross multiplication. 7 3 ja 21 minus 4 1 ja 4. 21 minus 4 how much here? 17. 17 by 7. Is it rational number or not? Yes. So can you say rational numbers are closed under subtraction? You have to write here rational numbers are closed. Is that closed or not? Yes, closed under subtraction. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are closed under subtraction. So that I mentioned here for all a comma b belongs to Q, a minus b also belongs to Q. Next one here operation hours multiplication. Just you can guess any two numbers. You can consider two rational numbers. One is I am taking here 4 by 5. Another one I am taking here 11 by 7. See, any two rational numbers you can take. What is our operation multiplication? You can just multiply both the rational numbers. 4 by 5 into 11 by 7. That means here you have to multiply two fractions. You know that in the 7th class you have studied. How can you do find the multiplication? You have to find the multiplication of numerator with numerator. 4 11 ja how much? 44. 7 5 ja how much? 35. Can you say 44 by 35 is a rational number or not? Yes, it is also rational number. So that you can mention here rational numbers are closed under multiplication. You have to write it simplified. Rational numbers are closed under multiplication. So that I am mentioned here for all a comma b belongs to Q, a into b also belongs to Q. Next operation here division. Can you say I am taking C 5 and 0. Can you say 5 is a rational number or not? Yes, 5 is a rational number. Why? Because 5 by 1. 5 can be written as 5 by 1. 0 is a rational number or not? Yes, 0 can be written as 0 by 1. If I am doing, what is our operation? Division though. So that's here. 5 division 0. That means you can see 5 division 0. Just we have to divide 5 with which number? 0. Can you say, just you can simplify. We have to divide with 0. See, 0. How many times it will go? 5. Just you can't do simplification, yes or no? Even though if you are multiplying 0 1 0 only, 0 5 0 only, 0 into 100 also 0 only. So it's not possible to do this operation. So that only we can simplify here. 5 by 0 is not defined. We can mention here not defined. Not defined means it is a rational number or not. It's not a rational number, so that it does not belongs to Q. It does not belongs to Q. Already you know that the definition of rational number. What is the definition of rational number? Here see, P and Q are, see what is the definition here? P by Q, where Q naught is equal 0. Just you can see P and Q. Okay, 5 0 are integers. Here Q place, what is the here? Q is already definition, as per definition Q naught is equal 0. But here see, is it equal to 0 or not? So can you say, is it rational number or not? It's not rational number. So that I mentioned here, rational numbers are not closed under division. Now you can see here commutative property. See, I am applying commutative property on whole numbers first of all. See, already I told there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. First you can see addition. See, for all a comma b belongs to W, a plus b is equal to b plus a. For example, you can take here, I am taking here a as 2, b as 3. Can you say 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2? Yes or no? 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. Is 5 is equal to 5 or not? Yes. So that addition is commutative in the set of whole numbers. You can see here addition is commutative in the set of whole numbers. In the similar way, subtraction you can see here. Subtraction. For all a comma b belongs to W, a minus b is equal b minus a. For example, I am taking here a is equal 5, b is equal 3. Next you can write here 5 minus 3. You can write here 5 minus 3. Next we have to write b minus a. B value how much? 3. A value how much? 5. That means 3 minus 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to how much? Here 2. Next here 3 minus 5 is equal to how much? Minus 2. Is 2 is equal to minus 2? Not equal. So that you can write here subtraction is not commutative. You can write there subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative in the set of whole numbers. Next you can see multiplication. For all a comma b belongs to b, a into b is equal b into a. For example, I will take here a value as 4, b value as 5. 4 into 5 is equal to 5 into 4. Can you check? Here see, 4 5 ja how much? 20. 5 4 ja how much? 20. That means you can see here multiplication is commutative. You can write here multiplication is commutative. Multiplication is commutative. Next you can see last one, division. For all a comma b belongs to W, a division b is equal to b division a. For example, I am taking here 4 division 6. I am taking 4 as a, b as c. B as 6 is equal to b division a means 6 by 4. You can take 6 division 4. That means you can see here 4 division 6 means 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 4. Can you say here 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 2. You can simplify. Implies you can see here 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Can you say 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2? It's not possible. It's not possible, so that I am writing 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. So you can write here division is not commutative. Division is not commutative. Division is not commutative in the set of whole numbers.